Hi, kids. Mothman here. You might not know this, but most of the food in the dumpster is perfectly good.
Just a Thought with Mothman.
Good evening, folks. Our top story tonight. Unruly and dangerous looters storm the castle of Dr. Victor Frankenstein under the flimsy guise of protest. We'll hear from Dr. Frankenstein himself by satellite phone while he withstands the siege and attempts to survive the generous assistance of the ATF. Dr. Frankenstein claims he has information that will exonerate him from the tax evasion charges. But first, are your neighborhood squirrels talking shit about you behind your back? Yes. Spells and enchantments, half price. Come get your spells and hexes. Come on down. Hey, you there. Do you want to know an old wizard's secret? Well, lean in close. Yeah, really close now. My secret? This isn't a potion at all. It's my pee.
For just one moment, a haiku. A pond, frog, and stork, staring at one another. Has each lost himself?
Good evening, folks. Our top story tonight. The spiders who hang out in your mouth every night are on strike. We've got a panel of vermin and pests here to unpack the spider union's demands and see if we can brainstorm a way to operate a functional nation without their essential labor. But first, where are all the mimes? No one's heard from them in months, and it's just now occurred to us to worry about it.
I am he, the one that you fear. You run away, but I draw ever near. I disapprove of your hurrying, your incessant human scurrying. Watch this divine creature. Let her become your teacher. She's the crowned queen of sleep. I'll have to wait to reap. I would not disturb her rest. As you might have guessed, every cat has 8 extra lives and a bad attitude and toes with knives. She'll not go gently into that good day. I suppose I'll have to tolerate this delay.
Man, things are not going so well lately. People are sick of me. They might even hate me. Geez, I'd rather not be here. I wonder if you could see clear? To give me a little more time? I'm dripping away like some kind of slime. The world's passing me by, I guess. I wonder how I got in this mess.